My name is Caroline Baylor, and I am from East Tennessee originally, and I am currently in Gainesville. I'm attending the University of Florida in my second year, getting my master's in the MDP program, which stands for Masters of Sustainable Development Practice. So after I graduated from undergrad, I ended up joining the Peace Corps, and I went and spent about 4 years in Ecuador. And so that's when I always knew that I was really interested in environmental issues, but I was really drawn to the question of waste management and how can we sustainably handle all of the waste that we generate. I originally, when I came to University of Florida, um, I was especially interested in studying waste management in Brazil. And so the original plan was to go to the state of Bahia and do field research there. I was going to work with an organization that is developing a budding recycling program. And then unfortunately, COVID struck. And so as soon as I realized that, travel to Brazil was not going to be possible over the summer, I reached out to my advisor, and he's really great because he has a lot of projects that are going on and he has a lot of connections. So as soon as we realized that I wasn't going to be able to conduct research in Brazil, we started kind of brainstorming other projects that had the potential to still occur even throughout all of this COVID. And so our plan B was that I was going to go down to a county in South Florida and work on a project that involves yard trash down in South Florida. We don't know how long this pandemic will happen, will occur, and maybe in the future there'll be more pandemics, but we do know that, like, no matter the circumstances, there are always going to be changes. And as you know, field work it's never going to be exactly as you planned, even under slightly more normal circumstances. So I would say just the most important thing for anybody that wants to conduct field work is to just keep in mind that being flexible and being adaptable is super important. Like, we can't foresee the future, but we can plan as much as possible, but also just know that we need to be flexible. And so whatever our plans were, if that can't happen, then we just have to be okay with it and figure out a creative solution to try and answer the questions that we do have.